How many of you are just waiting for the right time to come so that you can start your business, start your work, start new thing? All of you. If not, 90% of the people are just waiting for the right time so that they can do the things that they want to do in your life. But what do you think? Time will wait for you? No, this is not the case. The right time is now. Start whatever thing you want to start right now. At least do some steps. If you know you have to do 100%, start with 3%, 4%, 5%. At least start that task right now. But if you wait for the right time to come, then I'm sorry. You are not going on the right path. Most people think, yeah, today is a holiday. Let's start from the Monday. Yeah, it's already around 3 p.m. now and half a day is left, so let's start from tomorrow onwards. I will start morning routine from the next month. I will make a new resolution in the new year and will start from new year. It's all rubbish. If you want to do something and you are desperate to do that, you have to start it right now. Otherwise, there is no use of doing the things, and you will procrastinate all these things for the long time. You know you have to do the things, but somehow you will not do the things because you will always keep saying, I will do it by tomorrow, by the next date, by same date. But if you want to achieve something in your life, then you have to at least start it right now. Whenever you have time, start then. Don't wait for the right time because time is never be right. Or you can say every time is the right time. So, what do you think about it? Should you wait for the right time or should you start right now? I think starting right now is a better thing to do because it will make you some progress in the task that you want to do in your life. Maybe right, you want to start a new business, then you have to do some steps, maybe some working on this website, on marketing plan, on a business plan. Start right now. Have some paper, pen, pencil, and start drawing something. Start having conclusions, start having some points, and make those points collaborate. And you will see that in some days you will see a lot of things that you have accumulated by day and day. And that is it. That is how it will make 100%. It is not that you will on the first day you will start task and it will be 100% at the end of the day. No, it will never come. And most people are doing this, and that's why they are not able to start the work because they think it's lots to do. But if you start by small steps, maybe in a week, month, or in a year, that will be accomplished and you will be more satisfied than ever. So, friends, if you are just waiting for the right time, don't wait. The time is now. The right time is right now. Right now means right now. Start right now. Do the things that you want to do, that you want to love, that you love basically, and do start things right now. Some people say that it's not possible for me to start right now. I don't have this thing with me. I have to wait for thing. So what? All the things are dependent on that person or that situation. There might be some things, some steps that you can do individually at right now. Something, maybe a plan that you want, what you want to do in your life. That what are the, if you are starting a business, Make a statement that this is the thing that I want to do in my business. These are my priorities. Make something valuable, because what happens is when you write down something, your subconscious mind starts thinking about it, that you need to do this thing in your life. And it is very easy. Basically, when you do something step by step, it's very easy. But when you see a whole task or a whole thing all together, it is very overwhelming. That how you will do this? It's not possible for me. No, it is possible for you. It is up to you, but you have to start somewhere, and somewhere means anything related to the thing that you want to achieve in your life. Start it from there only, and I think this is the right time. I'm saying this again and again this video for a purposefully, that you that this word, this line embeds in your subconscious mind, that the right time is now, 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 now. Start right now. What are you waiting for? Right people, right guidance, right literature, right idea, what? Right audience? Nothing is right. You have to do the things right now and then validate all those things in the future. But if not start, you will always procrastinate the things, then you will not be successful. It is up to you that you how you deal with these things. You have to start somewhere at some time, and why not this time? You might be watching some movie, Netflix, Prime Videos, anything, but you are just procrastinating that, yeah, I need to do this, but I will start it later. Why? Because you are not 100% confident that you will achieve that thing, and that is a reason you are not starting the thing. And you are not 100% confident that you are not doing will not do the things because you don't know how to do the things, or what are the steps that need to achieve or need to do the things, and that is why you are procrastinating. So friends who are watching this video, please share this video with all your friends who always say I'll start it by tomorrow. And remember, do it now. Many things people realize at the end of their bed. Please give me some time. When they are in the deathbed, they say, please give me some time, at least one day, so that I can do the things that I want to do in my life. But at that time will not wait for you. Time is gone. Time is energy. Time is money. Everything is time. So start from where you are right now. This is the right time, guys. Listen carefully. If you want to read a book, start right now. Read one page. If you want to do some course, watch for 10 minutes. Anything you want to do. Maybe your room is a mess and you want to clean it up, but you are not want to do because it's taken a long time. No problem. Start with the one corner. Start with the one corner and do the things that you want to do in your life. You will see slowly and slowly your subconscious mind will get to this habit that you have to do something and that you need to start right now. And then in the future you will thank yourself that you have done this thing. And that is why I am saying, please start right now, because this is the right time. Most people will not do that, and most successful people are doing that. and that is why they are successful. They have an idea, they definitely start working on that. They don't wait for the right time, the right people, how you will do that. No, if there is an idea, start right now on implementing it, because there is a no right time. And remember, the right time is now. This is the right time. So friends, hope you get something out of this video and you know the importance of time and importance of starting the right now. If you like this video, please share with your family and friends, and also subscribe to my channel. I post one video daily. So we will meet tomorrow with another topic. Till then, goodbye.